I used to feel like I was behind in life. Behind in money, behind in success, behind in everything. While people were posting promotions, weddings, and world trips, I was Googling how to budget, trying to dodge overdraft fees, and wondering how I messed up this badly. If that sounds like you, you're not alone, and you're not broken. Part 1. How we start believing we're behind. We weren't born feeling behind. That belief was given to us, slowly, subtly, constantly. The honor roll system in school, the college timeline, the dream job by 25 myth, the married with kids by 30 pressure. The idea that success is a race and you're already losing. And let's be real, the internet didn't help. Social media turned comparison into a 24/7 sport. Part 2. Financial failures that make it worse. Now layer on some real-world problems: credit card debt, student loans, job hopping, burnout, or just plain not knowing what the hell you're doing with your life. Money mistakes feel heavier when you already think you're behind. You don't just feel broke, you feel ashamed. You feel like you failed some secret life test. But let me say this clearly. Failure is not the opposite of progress. It's part of it. Part 3. The late bloomer advantage. Some of the most successful, grounded, and emotionally intelligent people I know started late. They messed up. They restarted. They unlearned. They fell. And they built back slowly, but with clarity this time. Vera Wang didn't start designing dresses until her 40s. Morgan Freeman got his first major acting break at 50. Colonel Sanders franchised KFC in his 60s. Your neighbor started investing at 35 and still retired early. Late doesn't mean lost. It means seasoned. It means tested. It means resilient. Part 4. The realization that freed me. One day, it just hit me. I'm not behind. I'm on my path. And maybe it looks different because it is different. You don't need to catch up. You need to start showing up for you. Forget timelines. Forget comparison. Forget who they said you should be by now. Start today with what you have. From where you are, that's more than enough. Part 5. Actionable mindset shifts for rebuilding. Here are 5 things that helped me when I felt like a failure falling behind. Unfollow people who trigger comparison. Your mental health matters more than their highlight reel. Celebrate micro wins. Paid $50 toward debt? That's a win. Cooked instead of ordering out? Another one. Define success on your terms. If peace, time, and purpose matter to you, let that be your scoreboard. Invest more in habits than hustle. Habits make you, hustle burns you. You're not behind. You're just not finished. This is Finance After Failure, where we talk honestly about what it looks like to start over, rebuild, and finally do things your way. Subscribe if you're on the path too. Like the video if you've ever felt left behind. And leave a comment if you're ready to start. No matter what age, no matter what chapter. We're not late. We're right on time.